You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
Palestine is burning. O Allah, we are ashamed, deeply ashamed. Our hands rise in prayer, but our feet do not move. We cry, yet we do not change. O Lord of the Kaaba, Palestine is burning. The blood of innocent children has clung to the soil. Mothers' arms are empty, and the minarets of the mosques are wounded. O Allah, we made strong condemnation our weapon and deep concern our duty. We remained silent. We became spectators. We stood waiting for our turn while your servants were being slaughtered. O Allah, if this silence is a crime, then we are criminals. If this apathy is a sin, then we are sinners. O Lord, forgive us. Revive our dying sense of honor. Ignite once again the fire of faith in our hearts. Do not make us people who only speak, but make us those who stand for the truth. O Allah, protect Palestine, heal their wounds, accept their martyrs, and do not make us among those who on the day of judgment stand before you with nothing but tears of shame. Ameen, O Lord of the worlds.